Hello, in this video I'm going to show a game I just released called BotFightPaintball, and this is a free game you can download, and a link will be in the description. This is where the game starts in the lobby. You have to check this to agree to the end user license agreement. Press continue. This is the rifle. There's also the shotgun. And this door is locked, so to unlock the door you have to shoot the yellow bot. And then you go to the yellow bot and press F to loot the key. So now that you have the key, you can go back and unlock the door. By pressing F again. This is a health power-up. This is the directions. This is the bounty. You get 1,000 points per bot, and you lose 1,000 points if you die. This is the game controls and the player controls. This is where you can enter into the different levels. And this is the end level. The end level will show you the statistics for the game, and on the top is your time, and it shows which levels you completed, and on the bottom is your score. And you can take a screenshot of this to prove your speed run time and your score. This is level 1. Now let's show level 2.